Hello. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Whatever. Measurable sets are over. Measurable sets. In measurable sets, page number 24 and finite additive property. Finite additive property. Go to by page number 24. Hello.
Sir.
Page number 24 madam.
Okay, sir.
In page number 24, finite additive property. Let if E1, E2, and so on, En are pairwise designed measurable sets, then what is that? Measure of union of finite union of what is the measurable sets is equals to I equal to 1 to n measure of EI. And observe here, what is that? Pairwise designed. Pairwise designed means just write down theorem. Plus theorem, and let just write down theorem and let E1 comma E2 comma dash dash En are pairwise designed. Pairwise designed, which implies EI intersection EJ. What is the meaning of pairwise design? EI intersection EJ equal to empty set. Empty set. for I not equal to j. The condition right. I not equal to j. I not equal to j. And the next time write down this theorem proved by mathematical induction. Mathematical induction. What is a mathematical induction means? N equal to 1 is true, n equal to 2 is true, and so on. N equal to k is true, and n equal to k plus 1 is also true. Therefore, for every value integer n, this theorem is true for all. By mathematical induction, for n equals to 1, clearly m of a equals to m of e equal to m of u only. Okay, na? N equals to 1. The theorem is obviously true. Obviously true. If n equal to 2, observe here, n equal to 2, n equal to 2. What about n equal to 2? Let e1 comma e2 are pairwise designed. Observe here, pairwise designed. This is the kernel, the family of pairwise designed. Okay, now pairwise designed. Therefore, a measure of E1 union E2 equals to, we can write M of E1 plus M of E2. M of E2. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
M of E2. Okay, now. Next, finally assume this theorem for or this theorem is true for up to n minus 1. Up to n minus 1. Up to n minus 1. That is E1 comma E2 comma dash dash En minus 1. E1 comma E2 comma dash dash En minus 1 are pairwise designed. Then m of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 రాయండి ఇక్కడ అంతే. Up to n minus 1. Up to n minus 1 is equals to summation of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 m of ei. This is the equation 1. Equation 1. And observe here, what is the induction method? Up to proved what is that k. By using k, we can prove k plus 1. Here up to proved here n minus 1. Now we prove that up to n elements. Okay, na? Okay, equation 1. Now we prove this theorem for n sets, for n measurable sets. For n measurable sets. N measurable sets. And assume that ఇక్కడ capital F equals to capital F equals to in our book we have capital F equal to union of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 ei. Capital F equals to I equal to 1 to n minus 1 ei is a measurable set. Is a measurable set from the equation 1. From the equation 1. And therefore what is the F is a union of up to a minus 1. Therefore, f comma en are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. That is disjoint sets. That is f intersection en is equals to empty. Are you writing? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
Rasunara?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Just write down. And given that En is measurable set. And given that En is measurable set. What is the measurable definition? En is measurable means that is implies right. En is measurable, which implies for every set A. For every set A, same right down. M star of A equals to M star of A intersection En plus M star of A intersection En bar. En bar. En bar. And in particular, and consider A equals to, and consider here A equals to union I equal to 1 to n ei, which implies A intersection En equals to, what is that? The final second equation rayanamma. M star of A equals to M star of A intersection En plus M star of A intersection En bar undi kada. Second equation. And particularly you are taking, considering A equal to union of I equal to 1 to n ei. And observe here, we can consider any set. Particularly, you consider this set only. A intersection En equals to En. A intersection En equals to, and what is the En bar? En bar equals to, just to remove the En from the set of what is that E1 union, E2 union, E3 union, and so on, En minus 1. What is the remaining sets? This is equal to F. Just write down here. A intersection En bar equals to A intersection En bar equals to write down. What is that? En bar equals to, so E1 union, E2 union, E3 up to and so on up to n minus 1 work రాయండి. Up to other than En. What is the meaning of this one? Other than En, that is equals to F. A intersection En bar equals to union of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 equals to F. From the equation 1, from the equation 2, substitute A equal to union I equal to 1 to n in ei. M star of union of I equal to 1 to n ei is equals to M star of En. What is the meaning of A intersection En equal to En? M star of F equals to M star of A equals to same write down. M star of En plus M star of F means M star of union of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 ei. Just in place of F equal to write down here, which this is equals to m star of en plus m star of లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చమ్మా m star of, observe here, m star of a equal to same, m star of I equal to 1 to n ni. So m star of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 union, what is that? M star of en. Therefore, what is that? M star of en plus what is that? M star of union up to n minus 1 equal to, we can write summation same. Hence, therefore, hence the theorem. Hence the theorem. Similarly, we can prove that countable additive. Your finite additive means countable means, what is the meaning of countable? So E1, E2 and so on up to infinity. Okay, now just observe here the sequence of pairwise designed measurable sets. Then union I n equal to 1 to it. Finite is different, countable is different. Okay, now finite means we have only 1 to 100. Countable means natural number set is a countable set. So that is the here n equal to 1 to infinity, m star of 1 to n equal to 1 to infinity less than or equals to, we can write. Okay, already by proved by above this one. Okay, now just observe this one only. Okay, now next theorem 3, 25, 25, theorem 3 statement, write down. Write down. Statement: a measurable set of decreasing en is a decreasing sequence measurable sets, and m of e1 is finite, and then m of measure of e1 is finite, then measure of intersection n equal to 1 to infinity, en equal to limit and this infinity of m of en. Okay, now proof. In this proof, write down. Let the sequence en is as a decreasing sequence of measurable sets. Okay, now, and measure of e1 is a finite. Finite means m of e1 less than infinity. Finite means the measure of especially e1 set is finite means m of e1 less than infinity. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Just rough రాసేసుకోండి, తర్వాత ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? And now we consider capital E equals to n equal to 1 to infinity en, and we define fn, write down here, f2 equals to f1 is, what is the meaning of f1 here? What is that? N greater than or equals to f1 equals to, write down, f1 equal to e1 minus e2, which implies m of f1 equals to, రాయండి. ఓకేనా? and F2 equals to F2 minus F3. F2 minus F3. ఎందుకంటే this is a decreasing. F2 minus F3. And so on, Fn equals to. And so on, Fn equals to En minus En plus 1. En plus 1. En plus 1. En plus 1. And Fm intersection Fn. Fn intersection Fn is equals to empty set. Empty set for m not equals to n. M not equals to n. M not equals to n. Since M is a sigma algebra of sets, sigma algebra of sets, sigma algebra of sets, En belongs to M, En plus 1 belongs to M, Fn belongs to M. Okay, now? And observe here. E1 minus E equals to E1 minus E equals to n equal to 1 to infinity. ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి అమ్మా. E1 minus యూనియన్ తీసుకోండి రఫ్గా. F1 union, F2 union, and so on. And so on. Equal to, what is that? We can write E1 minus E. Therefore, by countable additive of Lebesgue measure, countable additive అంటే ఈ summation of measure of union of sets equal to summation m of E1 minus E equals to m of E1 minus E equals to n equal to 1 to infinite m of Fn. Okay, now? And by the monotonicity means, and observe here, this is a decreasing function. Decreasing means, what is the meaning of decreasing? Observe here in bracket, En plus 1 subset are equals to En subset are equals to, and so on, like this. Decreasing other. Decreasing means 1 by 2, 1 by 3, that is a decreasing series. Here also same. Decreasing means Un plus 1 less than or equals to Un. Here sets, here consideration sets means En plus 1 less than or subset are equals to En subset are equals to E1. Okay, now therefore m of or m star of En plus 1 less than or equals to m star of, same write down, m of En plus 1 equal to m star of En plus 1 less than or equal to m star of En, m star of En హలో హలో వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
And same write down E subset E1 and En plus 1 subset En. Decreasing function. Therefore, any set A equal to, we can write any another set A equal to, what is that? A equal to B union A minus B. Okay now, just write down. Suppose A subset of B equals A union B equals, what is that? It is a subset of A only, and by using set theory, E1 equals to E union E1 minus E. Okay now, next En equals to En plus 1 union En minus En plus 1. And clearly this is equal to En plus 1 union Fn. Your Fn definition, what is that? En minus En plus 1. What is that? When it is possible here, E is a subset of E1 and En plus 1 is a subset of En. Since this is a decreasing series, decreasing series. Therefore, so that taking both sides measure M of E1 equals to, what is the union means? M of E plus M of E1 minus E, and measure of En equals to measure of En plus 1 plus measure of Fn. Next step రాయనమ్మా. Same measure of M of E1 equal to M of E plus M of E minus 1. Therefore, M of E1 minus E equal to M of E1 minus M of E. And clearly from the second one, M of Fn equal to M of Fn equals to M of En minus M of En minus 1, En plus 1. This is the equation 2. Equation 2. First one, what is that? M of E1 minus E equal to n equal to 1 to infinity M of Fn. Substitute here M of Fn equals to M of Fn equal to, substitute here, and clearly from the equation 1 left hand side M of E1 minus E. Here M of E1 minus E equal to, we can write M of E minus M of E1 minus M of E. Right side left side substitute cheyandi. Same summation n equal to 1 to infinity M of En minus M of En plus 1. N equal to 1 to infinity. N equal to 1 to infinity. Same steps right down. ఇక్కడ ఒక స్టెప్ ఏం రాస్తారంటే M of En, M of E1, N equal to 1, what is that? And observe here, దీన్ని split చేయండి అమ్మా. M of E1 summation divide చేయండి, summation split చేయండి. N equal to 1, M of E1 minus M of E2 plus M of E2 minus M of E3. ఒక 3-4 టర్మ్స్ రాయండి. రాస్తున్నారా? హలో హలో
రాస్తున్నాం సార్.
ఇది స్ప్లిట్ చేయండి, సమ్మేషన్ ఈజీ అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ n equal to 1, స్ప్లిట్ చేశారా?
చేసినాం సార్.
ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ వన్. m of e1 minus m of e2 plus m of e2 minus m of e3 plus m of e3 minus m of e4, and observe here e2 minus e2 plus e2. Okay na? Minus e3 plus e3. Correct na? Cancel. Hello.
సార్.
Cancel అవుతుందా?
అయింది సార్.
Finally we have a remaining only one element, last element, that is minus e2 plus e2 minus e3 plus m of e3, next minus e4. So final, what is the final term? That is a final term is k, and so on. Write down minus ek. What is that? Minus ek plus ek minus ek plus 1. Okay na? Up to k minus 1 తీసుకోండి. So therefore final term ఒకటే మిగులుతుందమ్మా. limit k tends to infinity of same, which implies limit k tends to infinity of m of e1 minus m of ek. M of ek. Clear?
Okay sir, clear.
M of e1 limit or apply the limit inside. M of e1 k, limit k tends to infinity of m of ek, and observe here right side we have m of e1 cancel, minus cancel. I cancel చేసుకోండి, book లో direct రాశాడు. M of e1 cancel, m of e1 cancel, and which implies minus cancel. M of e equals to limit k tends to infinity of m of ek. Okay now, what about left hand side from the equation 1? From the equation 1, clear? Okay. Next, the contour set. Contour set means in the same definition in what is that? Contour set. In real analysis, there exists a1 comma a2 comma an. The union of neighborhoods of these elements is equals to total set ante. Okay na? That is a contour set. Contour set. Contour set. And Littlewood's first principle, page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28, Littlewood's first principle. Infinite series. మీకు ఇచ్చిన నోట్స్ లో క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుందమ్మా ఇది. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. Infinite decreasing sequence of measurable sets, the sequence with pn plus 1. What is the meaning of that? Is means decreasing. M of e1 is finite, then this is a theorem proof. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఉంది చూడండి. క్లియర్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. Very important this theorem. Limit n tends to infinity of this one.
ఫిఫ్త్ తీరమా సార్?
ఫిఫ్త్ ఇంతకుముందు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినాం చూడండి. థర్డ్ తీరం. ఓకేనా? సో నాకు టైం ఉంటే నీట్గా రాసి పంపిస్తాను. నేను క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పంపించమన్నా ఎవరు పంపించలేదు నాకు. హలో
సార్
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పంపించమన్నా కదా. Phase 1. Just every Borel set is a measurable. M star of E minus set. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ G తీసుకున్నాడు వాడు. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ రాయండి అమ్మ. Let E be a given set, then the following statements are equivalent. Just wait. A intersection. థీరం 5, థీరం 6 అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం ఒకసారి. థీరం 5, థీరం 6. అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? థీరం 5, థీరం 6. హలో
చేసింది సార్.
అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. థీరం 5 is a measurable to each epsilon greater than 0 there exists same ఉన్నది ఇక్కడ. Here we have theorem 5 we have open set. Theorem 6 closed set. What about G delta set? Countable union of open sets. Correct na? G delta set. Definition D delta sets. Sir చూడండి. Countable union of open sets say. Correct na? Verified.
Okay sir.
F sigma set.
Closed sir. Countable union of closed set.
Correct na? Countable reverse లేకపోతే.
Okay correct is.
Correct na? Okay. And మనకి మీకు పంపించిన PDF లో ఇవన్నీ థీరమ్స్ కలిపి ఉన్నాయమ్మ.
Okay.
ఓకేనా? సో 1 2 ABC 6 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. 6 కాదు 5 వస్తాయి. ఎందుకంటే ఈజ్ ఏ మెజరబుల్ కదా. ఆల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సపోజ్ ఈజ్ మెజరబుల్ we can follow we can prove what is that next to four theorems. Any one is true, we can prove other is also true. Okay na? All are equivalents. Now we prove that. Consider any one, we can prove any other. Okay na? No problem here. Observe here, write down. Same statement, write down. Let E be a given set. E subset of R. Any set, not given any measurable set. Any set. Any set. Any set. Write down. E is a measurable. E is a measurable. And observe here. Write down. Proof is m star of E is a what is that? Finite. Finite means less than infinity. And the above statements are equivalent to 51 or 61. For every given that epsilon greater than 0, there is a finite union of open intervals such that finite intersection of open intervals such that okay now. Now we prove that first implies to first one implies to one implies two means what is the meaning? The given information is first one. Then now we prove that second one. Observe here. Now we prove that first implies one, two means suppose that E is a measurable set. Then we prove that to each epsilon greater than 0, there is a open set G. మీ బుక్ లోనే రాసుకోండి, కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ బుక్ లో O అని రాశారు. There is a open set G. And G superset E is a what is that? G is a epsilon open set G. G is a superset. What is that? Superset of E with m star of G minus E less than epsilon. For me text book lo nemo G undi ikkadnemo O undi open intervals. Okay na? And case 1, suppose that m star of E equals to m star of E is finite. And we get a open set. G superset of E. Such that m star of G less than m star of E plus epsilon. M star of E less than epsilon. M star of E less than epsilon. Okay, no? This is. That means G is a union of open intervals. G is a union of open intervals. In. Therefore, G equal to, we can write n equal to 1 to infinity In. 1 to infinity In. Okay, now In. And G equal to, we can write G equals to ikkada O place lo. E is a subset of O. E is a subset of G. Then which implies G equals to E union G minus E. G minus E. And taking both sides, what is that measure? Outer measure. M star of G equals to M star of E union G minus E. Okay, na? Therefore, M star of E, A union B equal to M star of A plus M star of B. Therefore, M star of G equal to M star of E plus M star of G minus E, which implies same equation, M star of G minus E equal to M star of G minus M star of E. From the first one, this is M star of G minus M star of E. What is that? Less than epsilon. Less than epsilon. Okay, na? Therefore, M star of G minus E.
1/2 ఉంది కదా సార్
ఎక్కడ అమ్మాయి?
బుక్ లో సార్ థీరం 7 లో.
థీరం 5 7 చూస్తున్నావా? థీరం 5. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
థీరం 5 మనం చేసేది. M star of G minus E. ఇక్కడ కాకపోతే కన్సిడరేషన్ is different one. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ A to B means M star of E equal to implies that E equal to for the case different cases. Okay. This is enough. M star of G minus E equals to. లేదు అంటే ఇది తీసేసుకోండి. M star of Gn minus En less than epsilon by 2 power n. What is the union equals to? G minus E equal to union of ఇక్కడ ఇది 29 pages చూడండి. 29 pages. హలో.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
అదే ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే సో G is a subset of G. E1 is a subset of G1. E2 is a subset of G2. E3 is a subset of G3. Therefore, we can write what is that? En is a subset of Gn. Therefore, what is the each what is that? G equal to union of n equal to 1 to infinity Gn. E equal to union of n equal to 1 to infinity En. Therefore, M star of Gn minus En less than epsilon by 2 power n. 2 power n. For this one, taking both sides M star. M star means outer measure. M star of G minus E equals to union ఏమైతది? M star of summation n equal to 1 to infinity M star of Gn minus En. So M star of Gn minus En equal to what is that? 1 by 2 power n. What about 1 by epsilon by 2 power n? Summation, arithmetic, geometric progression. Summation 1 by right outside epsilon. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 power and sum of infinity terms in geometric series ఏమైతే చెప్పండి? Geometric series. Hello. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 common this say. In the sum of what is that? 1 plus r square plus r cube and so on. Sum of infinity term ఏమైతది? 1 by 1 minus r అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ summation of just write out summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 power n equal to 1 clear ga. Therefore, that is equal to epsilon. You can prove anyway. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో వన్ జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ తెలుసా? హలో,
తెలుసు సార్.
హలో, జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ 1/2 power n. ఓకేనా? సెకండ్ వన్, అజ్యూమ్ దట్ బి. అప్ టు మన క్లాస్ ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంది?
12 సార్.
12 కదా. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఉందా మన క్లాస్?
ఉంది సార్. సార్ మళ్ళీ
నెక్స్ట్ వీక్
15 ఉంది సార్.
అయితే మీరు పని చేయండి అమ్మా, నాకు ఒకసారి మీరు ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పడితే అవి రాసి పెడతారు మీకు క్లియర్ గా. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చెప్పి డిక్టేషన్ లాగా అవుతుంది, ఎంతైనా కష్టమే. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒకసారి నాకు ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పెట్టండి. అవి ఏం క్వశ్చన్స్ నాకు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను రాస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
సార్ మీరు
I'm not getting your voice.
ఓకే సార్.
పెట్టిన పీడిఎఫ్
హలో
హలో సార్, మీరు పెట్టిన పీడిఎఫ్ నోట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్. అర్థం కావట్లే.
మీ వాయిస్ క్లియర్ రావట్లేదు నాకు.
హలో హలో సార్. హలో
టెల్ మీ.
సార్, పీడిఎఫ్ పెట్టారు కదా సార్ మీరు.
అవును,
అది నోట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలన్నా.
అవి మీకున్న ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏమున్నాయి, ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమున్నాయి అని నోట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి, నీట్ గా రాసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం ఒక వాళ్ళ రైటింగ్ లో ఉన్నది కాబట్టి. అయితే ఎస్పెషల్లీ మీరు ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉన్నాయో క్లియర్ రాయండి. నాకు ఒకవేళ మీరు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ పంపిస్తే ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒక 10-15 ఇస్తే నేను అవి క్లియర్ రాసి మళ్ళీ మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ పెడతాను అది నీట్ గా.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా? అందుకే నేను ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒక 10 అన్నా 15 అన్నా కలెక్ట్ చేయండి. కలెక్ట్ చేసి ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాస్తే నేను పెట్టేస్తాను. లేదంటే నోట్స్ లో కూడా అవి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, మళ్ళీ మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ రాస్తాను నాకు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు. మీరు లేట్ అయిపోతే ఏమైతే నాకు టైం ఉండదు సడన్ రాయాలంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఇస్తేనే నేను పెట్టేస్తాను. అందుకే లాస్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే.